Today, we're diving deep into Pinterest. I'll show you how I personally use Pinterest to bring in consistent traffic daily, for free. Part 1: Why Pinterest? Pinterest isn't just a social network, it's a visual search engine. It works more like Google than like Instagram. People search for ideas, tutorials, solutions, and the content they find sticks around for months or even years. This makes Pinterest a traffic goldmine, especially for niches like DIY and craft, food and recipes, health and fitness, finance and side hustles, blogging and marketing, fashion and home decor. Part 2: Setting up your Pinterest profile. First, switch to a business account. It's free and gives you access to analytics. Then, use a clear profile picture, ideally your face or brand logo. Write a keyword-rich bio, add a link to your website or landing page, create niche-focused boards, at least 5-10 to start. Pro tip: use keywords in board names and descriptions, Pinterest reads that. Part 3: Creating viral pins. There are 3 pin formats to master. Standard pins, tall vertical images, 1000 by 1500 px. Idea pins, like TikToks or stories, but they stay forever. Video pins, short, looping videos, great for engagement. What makes a pin go viral? Bold, clear text overlays, eye-catching colors, reds, oranges, pinks work well. Curiosity or value-based titles, 10 easy side hustles, how to budget in 2025, your logo, branding, SEO keywords in the title, description, and alt text. Use free tools like Canva to design your pins. Part 4: Pinterest SEO Strategy. Pinterest is powered by keywords. Here's how to find and use them. Use Pinterest search bar to find trending keywords, add them to your pin title, pin description, board title and description, your profile bio. Pro tip: look at what's trending in your niche using the Trends tool on Pinterest. Part 5: Automation and Consistency. Pin daily, but don't worry, you don't have to do it manually. Use tools like Tailwind, schedule pins ahead of time, Canva Pro, create pin templates, ChatGPT, generate pin titles, descriptions, and ideas. Aim to pin 5 to 10 times a day to different boards. Re-pin your own content and mix it with others. Part 6: Bonus tips and mistakes to avoid. Don't only pin your own content, repin others too. Avoid clickbait titles or misleading links. Be patient. Pinterest traffic is slow burn, but long-term, focus on quality, not just quantity. That's it. Now you're ready to drive real traffic from Pinterest. Let me know in the comments what niche you're working in, and drop your Pinterest handle. Don't forget to subscribe for more free marketing strategies every week. See you next time.